Graphic design is the visual organization of information. Graphic design combines photos, typography, and information into relevant graphics that convey a desired action by the viewer. This can include a purchase of a product, a service, or a motivation to take action of any type. Without proper design, people would have a hard time reading a map, reading a magazine, and digesting all sorts of photos and information that are always around us. The key to good graphic design is the balance of typography, photos, and elements to create one compelling narrative. Graphic design is becoming an essential part of technology and the digital space. We can use it to change the mood, the tone, the way we digest information of all types. Graphic design is becoming more relevant with user experience and how we interact with websites, social media, and new sources of technology. We can use graphic design to write compelling stories, our own personal journeys, the world, and large and small businesses. Understanding strong design principles is a characteristic that employers are searching for today. The world is wide open for people who truly understand strong design principles. Graphic design is not just for a graphic designer anymore. There are user experience designers, web developers, creative directors, art directors, multimedia designers, virtual assistants, social media managers, and marketers, and many more that need to know design. Now that you understand how important it is to truly understand strong design principles, are you ready to get started?